Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the well. Childhood, me as a child, and my childhood innocent recipes. Now, there are three friends or three musketeers without which no cuisine on earth is complete. Who are those three musketeers? Who are those three friends? In short, who are those three vegetables? Have a look. Am I right? Okay. Now, in the Indian context, these three basic vegetables, plus or minus one of them or two of them, means what? Endless combinations in Indian cuisine with potato, tomato, and onion. And now the same potato, onion, and tomato in continental or fast food, as we may define. Yes, a burger. So today we will be using आलू प्याज टमाटर की सब्जी and आलू प्याज टमाटर की करी to make a burger. As I did in my childhood. How did I do it? Come, let me show you. burger in Indian cuisine using aloo ki sabji and aloo tamatar payaz curry. It is more healthier, it is more tastier, so bring on your children and share it with all the children like you and me and enjoy. And till the time we meet again with another video or another recipe, is thanks for watching. Bye, have a nice time, and as I always say, cook healthy, eat healthy,